Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Starbucks milkshake. First, gather your essential ingredients: milk, ice cream, and your favorite Starbucks-inspired flavorings like coffee or syrup. Next, choose a specific Starbucks drink, such as a caramel macchiato or a mocha, to guide your flavor profile. Finally, ensure you have a reliable blender, along with measuring cups and spoons, ready for the blending process. This preparation ensures a smooth and delicious experience. Now, let's get blending for that perfect texture. Start by adding 1 cup of milk, 2 generous scoops of your preferred ice cream, and your chosen flavorings into the blender. Begin blending on a low setting for about 15 seconds to combine ingredients. Then, gradually increase the speed to achieve a smooth, thick consistency. The goal is a rich, creamy milkshake, not a watery drink, so blend until it's perfectly integrated. Customizing your milkshake is where the fun truly begins. Feel free to add extra flavor shots or syrups like vanilla or hazelnut to create a unique taste profile that perfectly suits you. Don't forget the toppings. A dollop of whipped cream, a swirl of chocolate drizzle, or a sprinkle of cookie crumbs can elevate your creation. You can also experiment with different coffee strengths or even decaf options for a milder flavor. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your delicious creation. Carefully pour your freshly blended milkshake into a tall glass right away to maintain its cold, creamy texture. Garnish it with your chosen toppings, whether it's a mountain of whipped cream, a generous drizzle of caramel, or a sprinkle of cinnamon, for an appealing presentation. Remember to check the description for links to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to stay hydrated and find more kitchen essentials. Enjoy every sip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.